Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn display new products in Magento 2. Previously we have used the like the predefined widgets to show on the home page, but here we are going to create a we are going to create a custom one, like create collection and get all the logic over here and fetch all the products and show into the product like template HTML, right? So how we are going to do it? Let's begin the tutorial. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, previously we have discussed the bestseller, right? Now let's go to our custom product section. Here we are going to add a new one that is going to fetch the new products only. So I'm going to add. Uh, let's go to the to this one. We have get new products collection. Let me open this. Get product collection. Here we have to define the month date that I'm going to add. News new from the date and to today. Okay, so I'm going to add the get new products, that is a collection. Rest of the scenario would be the same, it will return. Okay, so this is my uh, new one, get new products. I'm going to add in the collection new return new product list. Okay, this is the collections with the store wise. You can if you are doing the store specific, then you will get the store specific data also, right? So here we are adding the attribute to select new from the date true to today, up to today. If it has a product, then it will fetch, right? So let's check this, and we have the new products section. This I'm going to add in. Let's get all the HTML in this part. I'm going to copy this full-fledged block div. Control C. I'm going to add here in there. We have the bestseller collection. We are going to new new products collection, new products collection. Fine. And here is bestseller. I'm going to add over here new one, that is new products. New products. Okay, I'm going to here. I need to go to my custom block. Here we have get new products. I'm going to add this and paste this. I'm going to looping it now. Here looping. Here we have a product name and product usual name. Okay, so this is done. And bestseller products, it will take the whole and align it better. Okay, so this is done. Let's compile the code. We need, I guess, upgrade. We need to upgrade this code. This if I first one best seller category and second one is like new products, you can directly call this full PHTML file to the home page, right? Lawyer, we are going to put static generated. We have var. Okay, let's reload our demo to page. Now we are going to pop custom products. Get new products and define variable. Undefined variable. Get a new products is undefined variable. Get new products is undefined variable. Get bestseller data. Get new products. It's a public function. So why it says okay. Here maybe the mistake. Let me this time we are going to flush the cache. Sudo php bin bin sorry bin magento Cash. Let's reload this tab. New product collection. See, one, two, three, four, five products which we have done in the morning. So it's look, look and feel this fully nice new products collections, and we have full-fledged products. We can also add the hyperlink over here, clickable using the we using the get the URL, right? So this is how we are getting the new products collection in Magento 2. It's very simple, very easy, and have just replicate this part like bestseller collection, new product collection, and it's working fine, right? So I hope you understand what exactly we have done. I'm just getting the products till date which are new, right? Which have the date of today now. So these five products which have the date right now, you can set it from in the, I have already explained in the previous videos, but I will tell you where you need to go. Products. Then I'm going to log in, admin. How these new products come, I will explain one more time again. In previous video we have explained, because this tutorial belongs to this, so I need to explain this part also. You have to go to edit this part. Currently we have five products, right? I'm going to go back and let's do one more with this product. Let's let's set this product. The set product new from. You need to set this one. Go today to go this, okay, and save this. Easy, right? And we have five products. Now going to have six products. One, two, three. Okay. Let's check the collection. Custom products. How many? How many? Set fill size is what? Is five. Let's put six. Okay. And reload this tab. This is coming. I think again we need to flush the cache. But this product is coming, right? Which we have done. Okay. See, six products are coming in a right way. Okay. So this is how you can set the new product and fetch this product very easily. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. I hope you understand what exactly we have done. So please do like, share and comment so that I can keep uploading and getting no new videos on that. Have a great day.